Good morning, everybody. Welcome to video review. Today is Wednesday, 15th day of October 2021. My name is Samuel Okoye-Ocha. Analyzing for the land of rising sun. As I said, we are starting now. We touched some forex and some cryptos, and I'll be fast about it because I will leave my house latest 10:15. Okay, so. DXY and Euro USD, that is something I never expected. Meanwhile, have you ever asked yourself, why do we always need stop loss while we are trading? One of the reasons is this: we need to protect our trade because you can never be 100% sure of what market will happen. We forecast, analyze based on what we know and what has been happening before, because markets tend to repeat itself. Okay, so now DXY and USD did what I never expected, but that's part of the trade. I never expected this up move, because we still expect it to complete this sequence. Okay. Meanwhile, it is still not bad, because after this temporal move up, it will still come down. Okay. So remember, we say that we are going down to something because this correction is over. I doubt if we have a new high. So let's continue to watch out to know what the market is trying to do. In that case, we need to adjust our parameters as we target the market. So right now, we expect this pair to give us a continuous another move up. Our target now is 94.2 price zone, 94.2, 93, 94. 93, 94 area is where we expect it to turn, between 94.1 to 94.5 price zone. So what does that mean? We look for sell once the market enters this blue box. We look for sell once price enters the blue box. We look for sell. Okay. Then before then, if something happens and it changes, then we know what to do again on that. Okay, so let's go to Euro USD. The same thing that happened here is happening. The inverse of it. It will always go opposite directions. So Euro USD, we expected continuous move from here. We expected, because let me go to 1 hour. We expected the price to continue going up because after impulse correction, that's how the market moves. After impulse correction, then this is impulse, this is correction. Then this happened. I never expected this. Though when this dropped, I know we can see go lower, but I never expected this very drop. But this one, I expected this. But this one is what I never expected. I expected it to continue going up. But it doesn't matter. That's why we always have stop loss, because nobody is sure of what market will do next. So let me now tell you what we expect next. Can we get this? Is it too far? Let me sort of press to avoid the mistake. Please hold on. Let me take this call, please. Let me take the call, please. So we continue. USD, I expect a further move towards this level. Okay, it will only extend the C wave. Okay, but I don't see it giving us a new low. Okay, I expect it to come to a lower level, 1.155, 1.152, and thereabout. But expect a turn within this blue box. That is, if it will still come lower to it. Because why? That is the extreme I expect. This is that this correction has, I suppose it has ended here, but it broke down and kept going down. Before the end of the day, if you don't see a sharp move up, something like this, so sharp move like this, if you don't see it, maybe you may keep going down till we come to this reversal zone. Okay, so let's go to Euro JPY. Euro JPY, things are still normal. The price is gradually coming to the level where we expect Wave C to end. Okay, so if you sold this pair, if you sold it here or here or here, just keep watching. Once it comes to within 131.5, 131.3, 131.4, you can close your trade and watch for reversal. Don't just close your trade and buy. No, because it can start to go lower. We try to trade safe. You close doesn't mean that you will buy immediately. No, it can still go lower. Okay, don't be in a haste to trade. Let it confirm that it is still going. So the selling is getting to its terminal destination. Euro, let's go USD card. I don't want to touch all the place because of time. USD card, what do we have there? Let me check 4 hours first. You know, USD card is preparing to give us big money as long as buying is concerned. You can see a bullish confirmation in 1 hour. 1 hour has confirmed the bullish move. Now, once this wedge is broken, forwards will now confirm again, and once 4 hour confirms, then all the fears will be eliminated. You know why? 1 hour can confirm, then 4 hours will say no. You see it buy for some time and return. It does happen, but once 4 hours confirm, it will go far before we talk about daily. Okay, so see 1 hour once again. 1 hour, this is our, you see it's bullish confirmation. It's confirmed here, come back down, confirm again. Though this confirmation is not proper anywhere. This is also not proper. This is an example of how market can be confirmed. When watch out for here, we may see get some delays. So be patient and wait for it to give us 4 hours that we break this channel. At least when price got to 1.244 area, we can look for little reversal. When the price comes to 1.244, then watch out for some reversal. Then you can buy because it's now clear we have left the bearish move. Okay, so that's for USD card. USD JPY. Oh, I know it. I know that the selling is not yet over. Okay, but market behaves somehow these 2 days of the week. See our bearish confirmation. See, knowing what to expect and giving the market breathing space is important in trading. See, let me remove this. I said if the market breaks this low, we sell. It broke it. Then here is the stop loss. It broke it and goes up again. Because there is from time to time market will break, go back. Now it's now going down for real now. So now let me remove this. Let me give you the proper target, how we used to trade it. So here is what we target. USD JPY, our target is 112.9, 112.6, 112.4. So this blue and red zone is where we expect the market to reverse. So bear in mind, that is what we expect for the selling to continue towards this zone, towards the reversal zone. Okay, so let's see USD CHF. It will likely be similar thing that we will see. USD CHF, let's take a look at 4 hours. You know, USD CHF started the correction before before USD JPY. So I recommend the selling of USD. Sorry, the selling of USD JPY, but USD CHF, I think the selling might be over. If not now, soonest. So let's see 1 hour again to know what we now expect. You know, the market has reached our reversal zone and it reversed. Then we say here is the bullish confirmation, but the market did not confirm the bullish. Whenever the market goes to the level, either selling or buying level, but could not hold at least 3-4 candles above the zone, then it may just give us, it may just go down again. Now, what do we expect? Let me remove this for now. When it is proper, I put it again. So this is what we expect now. So watch this place. If we get a good reversal pattern here, we now buy. So expect to buy from here. I said if we get a good reversal pattern, if you don't understand what it means, maybe you leave it and look for a better a trade that you will easily understand. Okay. From what I'm seeing on daily chart, the pattern on daily chart is not. I don't really like it. Listen, what happened here created a lot of confusion. What happened here created a lot of confusion. Confusion number one. Let me just give you this. It is expected that once this happened, that we will also have this. Now, I don't have the courage to say that this will happen. I don't have the courage to say that this will happen. I can only say that this will happen if I see a strong, a very strong move. For instance, I see a strong candle that will drop like this. Then I will watch. If the candle doesn't do opposite, if I don't see another candle again going at least like this. If I see corrective candle, for instance, let me remove this. If I see a strong candle on 4 hours or day that will drop very sharp, then if I see a corrective candle, then I will know that this will happen. If not, I'll be very, very careful watching this because this pattern is so confusing. So what happened in this is that we keep following it based on 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, or else we leave it until it do something that will be clear. For now, if it drops into this channel, I will look for pattern. If the pattern is what trading, I will trade it. If not, I leave it. Then I must advise you to use smaller size in such trade because it can turn to anything because of what happened in bigger time frame. New Zealand USD is still going down. It's still here is our target. Here is our target. 71 to 70.05 is where we target it will reach before it goes back. Now let me go to 1 hour and that will give you a better view of what we need. Let me remove this. Let me use our proper tool to measure the end wave C. Okay. X, Y. So now here is our target. Once the price comes to this zone, we begin to look for buy. Once price comes to this reversal zone, we begin to look for buy. For now, we keep watching how it goes. Okay, so now I'll go to silver and gold, then Kryptos, then I will round up. I don't have much time. Or let me try. Okay, I'll try to give you 2 pays on pounds. So let us see gold. Gold did something I don't expect. Let me point it out. Why am I showing you all this? To know that markets can behave any time. So when you forecast and trade, use stop loss. It is important. See that you lost a trade doesn't mean that you are wrong. No, you can be right and still lose the trade. You can be right in your analysis. The market will do something extraordinary, something unusual. It happens. That's why you always use stop loss. Now, I say that God did something I didn't expect. This is what I expect, and this is what seems to be the normal thing. Go supposed to turn from this level after this ABC. Go supposed to do something like this, then something like this. That is the normal thing. That's what I expect. That is the normal corrective move. Rather, it came to this level. I was expecting it to drop. It went further. Then drop with speed. Now, when market changes, you now check the next possibilities. You see, yesterday, I think, or on Monday, I put up this target. Those who are on my Telegram channel will see this post. I know it will here be the target. I mean, between 61.8 to 78 is the first place I target. Then it broke it. I now say no, it will be at 8. Then from here now it's dropping. Now what do we expect? We expect it to either it end here, but it will reverse within this reversal zone. So if you didn't sell gold from this level, don't sell again. That's my advice. Let's watch it, and when it will reverse within this blue zone, then if it goes deeper, this red zone. So that, and the same goes to silver. Let's see silver. Oh, silver is now at our reversal zone already. As a matter of fact, this time around, silver structure is far better than that of gold. I prefer silver now from how it reacted. I prefer silver now than gold. I mean, in terms of structure. So silver is showing us that the buying has started. Now it's late for you. Or let me tell you, you see this let me remove this and show you. You see this candle, if it's close as a pin bar, we know what pin bar is. If it's closed as a pin bar, that is in next 5 minutes, it will close. If it's closed as a pin bar, I can tell you that the buying have started. Okay, but ideally, let it break this level before we buy. Okay, so coming back, we're buying. So coming back, it has reached our reversal zone and have reversed. But let us confirm. So this is not the second trade I am recommending that I believe it will go well. This silver and the first one I think is USD JPY, I think. So now let's go to pounds. Let me give you some pounds pairs before I go to crypto and I will conclude. Pounds JPY is now dropping after dribbling us like JJ culture. Though it's not out of I expected this anyway. You can see I didn't do this now. Those on my Telegram channel will see it. I posted this yesterday that we now expect it to reverse this level. You know, I expected this to happen. Right? Instead, when I saw how it was moving, I know it will push up again. Now it has pushed up. If I had checked this earlier, I would have taken the trade, but I didn't check it earlier. So if you enter the trade, maybe you enter the here or here. Your stop loss should be here. Now you move your stop loss lower because what do we expect now? We expect either this to serve as support. Once it drops here, it can go up. It may not come this lower again. But before the end of the day, I will check to know what will happen next. You know, we can only try to know what will happen next when we see what is happening. Now it's too early to say whether we are coming to this low or not. Nevertheless, let me do it afresh. Nevertheless, this is what I'm expecting to happen. This is A, this is B, then this is C. So let me remove this, or let me change it anyway. Not remove. Let me change it to give it a better view. This will go, then this will be duplicated. Okay, so now two things. The market will bounce on this, or it will come deeper in the reversal zone before the buy-in. So this wave 4 is bound to end around here. So I'm changing this. I'm making it ABC. ABC and WSY, there's no much difference. Once you know the structure, you are good to go. Okay, I keep saying it. It doesn't bother me whether ABC or WSY. Okay, so this dropping, if you catch it, ride it down to this level. That's the third trade I recommend. Though it's late already. It's late already. I did see it on time. Pounds USD also dropping. Okay. So where is the target? Where is the target? Oh, pounds USD. Wait, let me check. It's making flat. It's making flat. It's making a flat move. Okay, so now let me try to show you what I expect. Now it is in a reversal zone. Because of this kind of structure, I cannot tell you whether it's good to buy or not. But there is always what we call let me remove this. That's what we call reversal pattern. If you don't know it, please learn it. If you join my class, you will know all this. If you don't want to join my class, you can learn from anybody who can teach you well. You must know the reversal pattern so that when you see it, you know it. Enough to say that market will turn here. It is always an expectation, but patterns will tell you that what you expected to happen has failed. It won't happen again. Pattern will tell you that and nothing more. So if you don't have the knowledge, learn, because there's no point trading where you don't have the proper knowledge. So here is where we expect it to turn within this blue zone and red zone. So watch out for this level. Okay, so that's what I can say on pounds USD. Pounds CHF, and the last pounds we are going to talk about. Pounds CHF, wow. Oh. Pounds CHF, this trade broke my heart. You see, you cannot win all the time. This pounds CHF, when this happened, I saw it as reversing. Then I pressed stop loss here. It killed my stop loss, went up. This one, you can see where it is going. That's part of trade. Sometimes you gain, sometimes you lose. Okay, so now, what do we expect on pounds CHF? What do we expect? Let me give you the first target. A, B, and the C. So expect this pair expect it to reverse within this blue box. Let me expect it to reverse within this level. Okay, so now you can see we still have some time to go. Now, what do we going to do to trade it? Don't enter now. But if it give us chance to enter, what do I mean? If we see this type of move, then we enter from here and sell to this level. If not, don't jump into entry. Let us give you a corrective pattern. Maybe something like this. You see this, something like this. If it happens somewhere, you can now use it as an opportunity because it is bound to come to this 1.25 area. It's coming to this level before the buying will start. So check out if it gives corrective move, selling is recommended. If not, leave it alone. Let's go to Kryptos. My time is almost up, but let me try to give some Kryptos. Kryptos, are you surprised is going down? I am not. Okay, now see this again. Let me you see this. I didn't do it now. This reversal zone, I didn't do it now. Okay, we study market moves by structures and sequences, swings and sequences. Once it's going up, we target where it will turn. And when this is happening, I said we're going to have A, B, C. This is A, this is B, and C is dropping. So what do we expect? Let me go to 2 hours. So let me remove this to use the better one. So this is A, B, and C. Let me show you where the C is going. If you're watching my analysis, you won't be losing unnecessarily unless you ignore it, because we study the structure, and by the grace of God, we understood it very well. So that's why we do it as if it's magic. Not magic, it's knowledge. So now, here is what we are looking forward to. We've seen to complete, and the buyers will return. So watch out for Bitcoin to drop to between 56,200 to 54,500. Then if it goes deeper, it's going to 52,000 area. This red zone, 54,590 to 51,700 is the deepest we are expecting. That is, maybe the correction is extended, but if not extended, it will turn within the blue box. And we know Bitcoin is the leader of all the coins. But let me give you Ethereum. I'll give you BNB, give you Litecoin, DOGE, and SHIBA. I will conclude. Ethereum and Bitcoin are doing the same thing. You know it will do this. It's doing it now. Where do we target? Let me give you the better target zone. And here it is. From here to here is A. Or do I use this one? Okay, let me use this one. Okay. This one is B. Then C. Here is the C. We target. Our target is here. Why am I showing you this? If you are trading on margin, you know how to trade. If you are trading as an investment, you know when to buy, the best time to buy and hold. Okay, let me label it ABC. A, B, C. So once you see Ethereum in this blue box, we prepare to buy. We prepare to buy from this blue box. Okay. Sorry, I didn't mention the blue box 3,778 to 3,658 is the blue box. Then the deeper level is 3,650 to 3,445 is the deeper level. Okay, let me skip SRP because of time. BNB now. Wow, BNB seems to have completed the correction. BNB has completed its correction, so is now buying. Sorry, I didn't label the chart because of time, but BNB has completed the ABC reversal. You can see it, ABC. So it's now going up. Okay, let's check Litecoin. Litecoin is doing better than most of them. Wow, it dropped maybe last time, maybe some hours ago. Jesus Christ, some hours ago it dropped heavily. Wow, but it is still ABC pattern and it's complete now. Yeah, this is A, this is B. Okay, you can see it. It's a made ABC pattern. Is now going up. Okay, that's interesting. Those who want to buy can buy now because we expect a new high. DOGE also dropped. Wow, very, very. Oh my God. DOGE dropped even lower than where we expected. Okay, now the buying is back, but I don't think we are getting anything lower than this. It dropped very, very, very. Oh my God. Wow, 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 wow. Okay. Anyway, expect a new high. I mean, I say new high. I mean new lower high. Because a new high will come when we break the highest high. For now, expect a higher than this. That's what I mean. A higher high from this level. Okay. Now we go to SHIBA, Almighty SHIBA, and we will conclude from here because my time is up. Oh my God, SHIBA is still going forward. Wow. Okay, in SHIBA, something happened in SHIBA. I expected the normal ABC pattern to happen in SHIBA. This is what I expected. Okay, I expected this type of move: A, B, C. So I expected SHIBA to drop, give us ABC before going up. You can see many of the trades gave us that ABC. So not that this didn't happen, you think I don't know what I'm doing. No, I know, but markets can behave in a strange manner. So, and when this happens, you know that there's fundamental behind it. SHIBA is going from strength to strength. That's very good for those who have it quantity. I don't have much. I only have about 4 million of it. But I know that there are those who have 500 million. It is up to you. You may decide to sell half of it. Then, if it comes lower, you buy again. Or you may sell half of it. If you have it quantity, 100 million, 200 million, 500 million, you may start to sell some. In fact, it is at the point that you sell some and keep the rest. Use the money for something else. Okay, because no market goes up, without going down. So it will be fair that you have that quantity. Maybe you see profit of $20,000, $50,000. You do take it. Then it goes back to 5,000, 10,000. It will pay you. So I advise you, you sell it. My own, I don't want to say my own is very small. I won't sell it because it is small. So I'll just forget it there. Anytime if we see 0.002, then the little I have can make meaning. Right now, it has no meaning. So that's where I come to an end of this analysis. Sorry, I won't have time for question for those who want to ask question because I don't have time. I'll be going somewhere right now. Thank you for watching. On Saturday, we will do weekly analysis. I may make it open again. You can join if you like. Thank you for joining me. God bless you. Bye.